Welcome to our cooking. Delicious Pancit Miki noodles. And we have sauteed this in extra virgin olive oil. Let me show you. This is the extra virgin olive oil. And I'm gonna add more veggies. And we have organic cilantro. And then, because I am holding my camera at the same time, and so I'm going to drop in the cilantro, sweet mini peppers, and green onions. And the sweet mini peppers are in. Let me just put the camera down so we could get straight for the cilantro, and then we continue to stir. Oh my goodness, this is super delicious. Philippines cuisine's finest. I'm getting hungry already. How about you? I am inviting you to cook Pancit Miki noodles right here, as you can see, and how break it down right here in my beautiful and beloved mom's delightful food recipes and her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughters, speaking to your brother's video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And all my 22 books, yes, 22, including Mom and Chef, are available worldwide at Amazon, Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. And Mom and Chef and all my 22 books are available in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. Ebook means you could upload Mom and Chef and all my 22 books in your computer in minutes, or you could have it on paperback. And come on, let's cook. Our plate is ready, and I'm going to stir this one more. And you know how to cook it. Just look at my mom's cookbook, and you will know the aroma of sauteing garlic in extra virgin olive oil with all the veggies, and we have chicken here as well. Super yum. And Pancit Miki noodles are lucky foods for long lives, prosperity, good health. And you could have this New Year, weddings, birthdays, any way you like it, anyhow you want it. This is super yum. And then we continue to stir. Feeling hot. This is super delicious. Alright, are you hungry now? Now we're going to get some. You, me, and all of us, and let's take our plate. And get some more. That's steaming hot. Delicious. Oh yeah. And you have asparagus as well. And the vegetables available in the days again. And vegetables that you can use as well wherever you are. That's your favorite. Let's add more there. Let's add noodles. for you and me and all of us. Oh my goodness, this is super delicious. The aroma of the something with the vegetables is just perfect. And come on in, I invited my children. And before we do, we're going to bless our food. Isn't it important? Blessing for food. Mighty I am present. Accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love. And see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with the speed of thought, Bhagavad Gita. Come on and eat. This is our pork. And this is super yum. For you and me and all of us, give me please. Super delicious. You're gonna love it as I do. And I'm inviting you for a 10% discount using my name, Juanita, at www.allfreshseafood.com, or you could call over the phone here in New York City, New York, USA, where I am, 1-833-GOT-CRAB. And enjoy. Thank you for all your support. Yum. Excuse me, please. This is super delicious. Happy cooking in the Tagalog language. Masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. Come on in. Kaya na po tayo ng Tagalog language. Napakasarap. That means super delicious. Yummy. Happy cooking. Enjoy. Yummy. Really good.